I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, I really don't like my wallet. It's a bifold wallet. It's got all these little pockets in it I don't use. There's 3 over here that's empty. It's got these little cubbies that I got like a movie ticket in there. And I don't have any money, so I really don't have a lot of room. There's 2 things for money here, but what I prefer is a wallet. I prefer just the bifold like this, but I got it one time. My brother was in the Bahamas and bought me one. This piece open here, it would open like this, and then it opened a second time, and your money was in this slot here. So I'm going to try to make myself a wallet in that style, and hopefully it won't turn out like crap. Okay, I don't have a lot of money, that's why I'm making this myself. I don't really want to buy another wallet I'm not going to like, so I'm going to try to make it out of this vinyl or naga hide that I cut off the back of a couch we used to have. Also just going to use stuff I've got laying around. Here's some pretty decent thread. Needle was in there. Need a knife. My homemade scratch-all. Scissors. And this little ruler. Okay, I've got all 3 pieces cut out. Here's how it's going to go together. This will be glued and sewed onto this, and that's where the money will go. And then this will be glued and sewed onto here, and that's where the cards will go, and it will fold up like that. So, let's get started. I'm going to start by sewing this piece onto here. Okay, so I've had to recut almost, well, all the parts. I was able to reuse some of it. I was having trouble folding it correctly, and it wasn't folding up right. Everything was getting all bunched up and not overlapping well. I've enlarged the size of the card holder, and I put this little fancy thing at the top to get the cards out easier. I've also changed the whole design of this. It's not as short anymore, and it's as wide as the thing is, and it's got a little fancy deal here where I can grab the money in and out easier. I'm going to try to sew it together now, but I'm not going to bother with trying to glue it in place. I don't have the right glue for it anyway. I should be using contact cement, and I don't have any. So I'm just going to rely on the stitching itself. So I'm going to probably start with this smallest piece here and just stitch it in place. Okay, I decided to take a little tip I saw in a video and clamp the wallet in between 2 pieces of board to do the stitching. Keeps it lined up. Okay, so that didn't turn out too bad. The only thing I don't like is you've got the stitch right here, so when it's closed like this, it's going to fill that stitch, but I guess I can use that to decide whether I'm going to put my pocket this way or this way. So I guess that turned out okay. I think the stitching is going to hold up. I only put a few things in my wallet anyway, probably be 3 things in this slide, this little slip anyway. So now I'm going to try to get the money slot over here put on. Okay, I've emptied out my old wallet, nothing left in here except for a theater ticket. And I put it all in the new one. It seems like it fit pretty good. Plenty of room here, can add quite a bit more stuff. Can add quite a bit more money in here too, but I don't have any, just $1 on me today. Let's see. This fold here works pretty good. Got to work that in eventually. And then the flip, pretty good shape. I like that. So I'm going to put it in this direction. Card on the outside. My first try at one of these. I think I might next time go flip here. Maybe put a little Velcro on it to keep the card from sliding out. I'm not really worried about them sliding out, but someone else might be. If I do another one of these, I'm going to change everything I've done. See, I didn't glue any of this together, which I should have, so this is coming apart here, but I'm not worried about that. I probably won't even use this wallet. I'll probably continue using this piece of crap until I get better quality real leather, better thread, glue, cement glue to glue this in place. I don't like this backing here, so I might add some cloth backing inside here to make it look a little nicer. And I got to get better at doing the stitching, getting it closer to the edge, and the holes closer together too, because they didn't turn out very well. This part here turned out really good. It allows this to bend over like this without bunching up. That turned out really good, but I wish I'd gotten it a little longer so it fit the end down here, but hey, you live and you learn. I think I ended up cutting that off and starting over again, but all in all, it worked out pretty good. This pocket looks really good, so I like it, so I'm going to use it. Thanks for watching.